Hey, so a month ago, I made a post about doing a lot of work and that being enjoyable, like doing the actual work and enjoying the work. And it is, but it's also fun to not do work sometimes. So, been using this manual coffee grinder for that time for about a month. Now, it is time to go to the next level. We decided against buying a new $200 electric grinder and coming up with a more fun solution. So here we go. Started with a $30 Hario conical burr grinder. The burrs are made of ceramic, so it's going to last a really long time. And it's kind of purple and cool from Japan. Here it is, about how it came out of the box, except I had to add this handle. It's got really nice action. It's super easy to use, easy to run. Coffee drops into this jar on the bottom, so you can pour it into your coffee maker or what have you. The adjustment is maybe the best part of this whole mill. You just pull this off and turn this up and down until you get the space you want underneath, so you get whatever fineness or coarseness of grind you want. It's fantastic. Many grinders, including expensive electric ones, have the problem of not being quite adjustable enough, and that's a bummer. I think I'm going to try mine right there. Give it about that much space. I'm going to try to make a coarse grind for the automatic drip coffee maker. Instead of replacing the handle this time, I'm going to throw a little bit of a fun curve at this thing. First thing we need is some coffee grounds, or some coffee beans rather. Use about 60 grams for our brazen, or Be More Brazen. Here we go. Alright, so I'll just put those right in there. And now, instead of the slow manual mode, I'm going to use this M6 nut to lock in the grind, and this socket adapter, 10mm socket. Put the little cover on because it could get messy, and a drill. See how it goes. I think that'll work. It's going to take maybe, another 45 or 60 seconds. But we were spending a good 4 or 5 minutes in agony with this one. And now we won't. Got 2 drills too, so I can always have a battery charged up. Cool. See you next time.